Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. The sound of this clip is so badly muffled you can understand it, so I've had to redo it now. What I'll explain in this clip is that I've lost a little handle I had with my GoPro, so I'm holding it by hand directly rather than by a little hand holder thingy. So it might be a bit more shaky than usual. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so I should show you Mercedes here to start with. Fair enough, got orthopedic seats, or no massage. Not too sure. Definitely something to do with the seats down there, and a little switch. Looks like quite a highly equipped car. Very highly equipped. I know it's not technically a W124, but it's along them lines. Yeah, very nice. A few MGs on here. Ooh, that massive Maserati over there. Let's have a look at that Maserati. The engine shot on in there for you. There we go, look at this. Oh yes, that's nice. Bit this makes a great sound. Quite a few minis back there. Lovely Rover V8 here. And then you got this lovely road just here. Let's take a look inside. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Huge. Car phone in front. Look at the seats. Look at that. That's the epitome of luxury right now, isn't it? Look in the back as well. Got another car phone in the back. Got a Triumph Stag just here. Very common cars actually, even for AJR, they're still very common. A few more large American cars here. I actually saw a Mercedes SL. So I'm going to take a look at the SL. There you go. Not exactly the biggest back seat you're ever going to see in the car. I don't think you're ever going to get much more than a watermelon in the back seat. But still, very nice cast on the left. Neat, perfect driving car. Very nice. Got a lovely large radial Corvette here. Ooh, this green one and the red one, they both look very nice. Very nice indeed. Ooh, I just noticed an A420 SL here. Okay, this is going to steal my attention. So this is the older version of the R129 as you call, this is an R107. And this is the predecessor to the SL over there as you call, E-Ridge. Okay, we have another roller just here. Lovely colour as well. Lovely colour. Just as nice inside as the other one. Can't really see much there, can you? But that way you can. Onto a V12 Jaguar. Oh, look at that dashboard there. Foot from Calibra. Not seen one of these for a while either. Had a lot of engine working done to that. Very nice. And that Opel Monza. Yeah, very nice. A few Lotus cartons. few Ford Escorts here as well. Just a few Escorts. Okay, and then you've got the Fat Bug here. I presume on a VW Beetle chassis, like most of them. Oh. It's good though. Ford Puma over there. Again, don't see too many of them around nowadays. Much like the first of that generation, the fourth of them died off pretty quick. A few MGs wearing umbrellas. MG here, twin carbs. Rather big Bentley. Actually what you'd normally consider a rather big American car. But actually looks quite small compared to the Bentley. Me along here, another Cobra. Is that an IROC? I think that only feel an IROC, isn't it? It's looking fun. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I think that's an IROC. Go and have a look at this pagoda. Nick, it's very nice. And again, Mercedes realised there's not much point in having back seats, as you can't get them in, but for the R129, they thought they'd try. And these are very gorgeous cars. And also very expensive now. 280 SL automatic. Gorgeous, it really is. I mean, look at how elegant that dashboard is. And the steering wheel. Lovely. And another BMW again. Same era as my W21. Lovely Mercedes here. I feel like I should know the chassis number of this, but I don't. I'm going to get a limited, possibly W108. That's that era, at least anyway. Okay, a few more cars have turned up down here. And check here, almost Vauxhall-ish. It's got a little bit of a Vauxhall to it, if you ask me. Just a little bit. Still lovely look, isn't it? Nice little red interior. We're one of the smallest American cars you see.